It is a wonderful thing for the Warr Pavilion to be able to host the Sussex Guild Contemporary Craft Show. It is the most wonderful exhibition with such talented, skilled people all in one space showing their beautiful wares. It's a real proud thing for us to be part of it.
I love coming to the Sussex Guild shows just for the sheer variety of skill and craft, and just to see the breadth of skill and ability, and it's really, yeah, it's fantastic.
I really enjoy being part of the Guild. For me, it's a very community atmosphere. We all help each other. I've got many good friends from being in the Guild and some great customers as well.
It's really a fantastic venue. The Warr Pavilion has a fantastic history. It's a beautiful Art Deco building and it's just a lovely place to show. And for me, here today, I'm literally opposite the most beautiful seascape. So my whole day is inspired.
I have never been to a craft show like this. It's original, it's real art, and I do think that one of our best senses is touch. And being able to touch the things here, you realise actually we do need face-to-face, eyeball to eyeball.
The staff are incredibly helpful and friendly, really look after customers coming in. The space is brilliant, views of the sea, lovely, lovely period building, and all of us have lots of space. So we've got loads and loads of talented workers showing their work, lots of time to talk to customers, explain how their work is made, and hopefully sell them something special and beautiful that they'll keep in their family for ages.